Did you really think this would work?
Sirus, please, we want to help you. Don't do anything hasty.
Destroying you is as easy as flicking a pest.
No!
Sana!
Kirak!
How boring and small.
You want the Atlas? Take it. It's yours. But Oriath, I will burn to the ground.
Perhaps the suffering of my fellow citizens will finally stir something.
You are nothing! Glorious flames! Rain of stars!
What's this? A real challenge? You've finally caught my attention.
Why run? What's the point? Obliteration! Fury of the cosmos! Embrace nothingness. Be utterly annihilated!
The others found strength in their projections. They became reliant on them. I am not so foolish.
Your lives are meaningless! Be utterly annihilated! Obliteration!
Is life really interesting enough to warrant all this pain?
Why run? What's the point? Creation itself! Glorious
At the edge of
flames!
death, my heart races.
I am alive. At least I felt something.
I'm sorry. Sirus